Wagwan YouTube, Wagwan. It's a different video today. Today I'm doing a recovery. Welcome to one of the first diaries. I'm going to pick up a car from Copart for a customer. A quick rental from Abacus car hire. Or car and van hire, so yeah. I haven't driven a recovery truck in ages, and the rattling metal just gives me some funny feeling, like raw, like, you get what I mean? But it's been so long. I've checked everything looks sweet and sound, so I'm just literally heading up towards 10. The drive's about an hour and 20 minutes. Yeah, if you're new into recovery or looking forward to the recovery videos, you show some love in the comments and let me know, because I've been doing them with my dad from I was a kid, but I've said I want to do this not without him, but I want to kind of I'm a big man now, do you know what I mean? I want to start my own and go through my own obstacles and learn how the actual trade my own way. Maybe I might find my own way. Do you get what I mean? The younger generation to their parents is always a little bit different in the mindset, especially as well as business. So let's see how this goes. So yeah, I'm gonna be in tune with you when I'm at the next part of the journey. Right now, man's on Blackheath Hill. Fuck, going on to Shooters Hill. Jesus Christ, boy. If you know about clutch control on this hill, yo, I've had to leave a little delay, so I've just got a little build up in gear 2, you get me? I was a little gear 3 going up the hill, rude boy, fam. This hill, boy, if you're not good with manual, you can't jump on Blackheath Hill still. It's not made for the weak. It's actually not made for the weak. Foot's literally all the way down to the ground in gear 6, Lewis Hamilton style. Mirror, signal, maneuver. Cattle. Now, what's the name of this van, this truck? Oh yeah. Fucking it. I clicked a rev. I didn't even know, so it's come so quick. Yeah, this looks clean. I literally was just come off the phone to my man saying it's one photo. Fucking hell, but it looks clean. Thanks a lot. So this is the car I've collected for the customer. First car, Copart pickup. First thing I'm gonna do is release the straps. You get what I mean? Cause with these recoveries. Oh, alright. Too bad for a 15 plate. It needs a little bit of work, but yeah, not too bad. Not too bad. Make sure I take the key. First thing the customer's gonna ask me. You get what I mean? See if it turns on. Yeah, it's got a few bits. He's got the skirts, he's got the AMG mats, nice spec. Raw LED, the digital display, heated seats, yeah, raw. Nice little specs still. I wonder what actually happened to the car. But I want to make sure the handbrake's up. This. See me, I don't really buy cars from Copart. I never have, never would. Do you get what I mean? Copart's not really my type of thing, but from the ease of the process, I actually wouldn't mind actually buying a car from Copart. It literally seems like the process of buying cars from here and collecting them is so easy. Now I've got my own pickup account. Yeah, I'm back now, man. Yeah. So currently in Sandwich. I'm gonna get some more diesel, get something to eat, head back down to London. Literally, so with the ratchet straps, not the best with them, but so I know how they work. Sometimes when you're doing these jobs, it's always about how good, how clean you can stay. As well, so I don't really try to get my clothes too dirty. I try to come back to my house the same guy that I left. So yeah. Done the dumbest thing. See, like I said, I like to do these unhooked. When I'm a class 1 driver, I like to have my load properly secured. Not no round the bushes securage. So once I've loaded this up, be getting a nice Mackie brekkie. See how this goes. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna send the customer a live location. Share. So I'm showing them the live location. Now I'm gonna make my way back to the drop off. Thank you. So that was a smooth pickup. I'm just gonna double check my load. Double check the load. Gonna double check the load. That's one thing with me. Coverage, got to double check. Yeah, cool. Just double check that the handbrake's on in the vehicle. Oh, cool. Amazing, that's good, it's perfect. As long as the handbrake's on. This alarm's probably gonna go off because of the rocking motion of the car. Let's head back. the weight in this thing. Petrol still. Some diesel.